Chapter 1 Formal Conversation. Situation: Jane, Linda, and Mary are having lunch at the restaurant. Since they will have to give a presentation on etiquette rules next week, they try to practice by talking very formally to each other. Jane: Linda, may I borrow your cell phone to call my mother after we finish lunch? Linda: yes, of course, Jane. And please, do not forget to ask your mother whether you may go to the movies with us afterwards. Mary: Jane, could you pass the salt, please? Jane: sure, here you are. Mary: and the pepper too, please. Thank you. Jane: you are welcome. Linda: would both of you mind if I stop by Marcus Bookstore on our way to the movie? Jane: no, not at all. Mary: I would love to look at their new book selection. So, I would like to stop there also. Jane: would both of you like to go shopping after the movie? Linda: maybe some other time. I need to be home by 5 o'clock. Mary: I can go with you if you want. Jane: that would be great. I need to pick up a gift for my brother. His birthday is on Sunday next week. What would you recommend, Mary? Mary: just a moment please. Let me think. Maybe a fishing pole since he loves fishing? Jane: what a clever suggestion. My brother will thank me for the lovely gift. I hope there is a fishing store in the mall. Linda: I ordered too many French fries. Would anybody care for some? Jane: yes, I would like some. Linda: how about you, Mary? Mary: no, thank you. I have enough food already. 39. Jane: Linda, would you like some of my fried rice? Linda: yes, please. Just a little bit. Jane: here you go. Linda: oh, that is enough. No more, please. Jane: Mary, did you remember to bring my Harry Potter book? Mary: oh, I am sorry. I completely forgot about it. Could you call to remind me again tonight? Jane: certainly. Linda: if you do not mind, may I borrow the book after you are done with it? Jane: I promise to let John borrow it after I get it back from Mary. You are welcome to have it once John is finished. John is a fast reader, he will finish it in no time. Linda: I, on the other hand, am a pretty slow reader. How long do you think I may keep it? Jane: I already read it. So, you may keep it as long as you want. Give it back to me at your earliest convenience. Linda: thank you, Jane. That will save me some money. Mary: are we all done? We should leave now to catch the next show, otherwise, we will be late. Linda: I am ready anytime you are. Jane: so am I. Shall we go? Expressions. Pass this